Hello everyone, we have a finished project. If you've been following on all of my shorts for the past maybe month or two, I've been restoring this Pocher 1/8 scale, big boy, Volvo F12 truck, and it's done. I'll go over some of the things I did. It's been a lot of work. Over here we have the separate diesel engine that I went as far as getting the right Volvo paint for the engine block, and all of these lines, these hard oil lines and rubber hoses and hose clamps, everything, that's all kind of made from scratch. All of these lines made from scratch. Came out pretty good, pretty convincing. It's nice enough where I'm displaying it obviously separate from the truck. You'll see in a few days, I actually bought a gigantic fishbowl as a case, because cases this size are like $600-700. So I actually got a very nice fishbowl, fish tank that I'm modifying. I'll actually give you a sneak peek. I cut out some of the reinforcement ribs and I'm going to polish it up, but I mean, it's a case, so it'll go right over there. So that'll be coming a couple more days. So back to the truck. So let's see. Up front we have a brand new windshield. I painted all the decals are brand new, and I painted the windshield trim black. Let's see, all new decals in the front. On the stock model, that white trim is actually a vinyl sticker, but I actually painted it. Let's see, I added all the vinyl. It's brand new OEM that I got from Germany. Again, all new stickers. Inside, again, new, I guess it's polycarbonate window glass. The door panels have been detailed and painted. The interior has been detailed and painted. On the stock model, this is all just plain black. So all the buttons, the decals are upgraded for the gauges. And there is simulated carpeting now. The seats have been painted and filled. And if you can see the little, let's see if you can make it out from there. The little curtains I made from scratch. Let's see, you can peek in from above. I did polish everything. If you can make out what's in there. Made a little bunk bed for up top. I was missing a few pieces over here, so things have been, bent and made out of metal rod, and little fittings added. Over here, all of these hoses, these metal hard lines, were molded into the plastic, so they were actually cut out, and real lines bent. Some chrome foil for the straps, some more custom hard lines. All of this was polished, all of this was incredibly scratched up. Again, lots of chrome foil. Simulated little distribution blocks I made from scratch. All those lines, air lines, didn't exist before. Some detailing there with some foil and some paint. Even a little kind of foam filter added inside there. I couldn't have done this without the informational DVD from Paul Koo. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. Really happy with how this came out. I am missing two of these little cab lights. I bought some from Germany from someone, but I don't know if they've been held up in customs, but it's been over a month. I would like to add a spare tire, so I'm searching for an extra wheel and tire, but parts for this are pretty hard to find. The last thing I'm missing is I do have this there's a little mirror that goes right there, but I'm missing the mounting plate and arm. Maybe I'll be able to locate that some other day. But yeah, this is it. Really happy with how this thing came out. See if this opens up. See a little bit more of the curtain. Came out really good. So yeah, it's a finished project, and you know, I've been inspired. If you've been following along, that F40, the body was restored last year, and the chassis has been done for like 2.5 years. So I think it's time that I now put some effort on finishing the F40. So stay tuned for that. The big annual collection video is going to be on December 30th. So please tune in for that. I'm putting in a lot of effort behind the scenes. So everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.